Welcome. My name is Leah, and I will walk you through the course where I will walk you through the functionalities of MapUs, teach you how to navigate the platform, and show you how to edit your survey. So today we're gonna go through the front page that you see here, and then we're basically gonna go through everything you see over here in the menu panel. So we're going to go through group management, which is the basic admin functions. And then we're going to go through our part module. And then we're going to go through manage survey, which is where you edit your survey and your survey information. And lastly, we're going to go through admin management with you. So before we get started, I just have a little bit of practical information. First off, at this point in time, you will have gotten your own MapUs platform, but for the sake of the superuser course today, I will demonstrate everything in this demo platform that you see here. But try it out on your own, of course. Secondly, we have put in some exercises throughout this superuser course where you will get a chance to try the things out that we walk through in praxis. So take your time to do the exercises. This way you will get a lot more out of the superuser course. So let's get started. So this is your front page. What the front page does is that it basically gives the respondent kind of like a preview of what type of universe they're about to enter. You can't press anything or anything like that on the front page, but you can move your cursor over the different competences and see what they are and see their descriptions and stuff like that. So basically the front page just gives the respondent a really good preview of what type of universe they're entering. Up here you have your survey title and your survey description. Both of these you can change yourself, and we will get back to how you do that a little bit later, but this is where it will show. Then we have this blue button right here. Basically, this is where you start the survey. The most intuitive way is, of course, to press start, and then you begin the survey. But there are another way of accessing the survey, and that is by pressing the little arrow over here, and then you can enter a PIN code. We will get back to how the PIN code works in just a little while, but it's just to tell you that there are two different ways of accessing the survey, either by pressing start or by entering a PIN code. Then what we have here are basically the visualizations of the front page. In this case, we have the digital competence areas and we have the wheel itself where you can see all the competences. You can decide yourself what visualizations you want on the front page, and we will get back to how you do this a little bit later. But this is usually what people have. At the bottom here, we have your footer. You can see what we have. We have our contact information and our website and stuff like that. Usually people use the footer to have some sort of company information. Use ours to get inspired, but yeah, it's up to you what you have down here.